Hello, good morning, Daisy. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Daisy Primarso. I'm 39 years old. I live in 443 Eagle Street, Padre Crisostomo, Cabanatuan City. I have two children. The one is 17 years old, senior high, and the another one is girl, 14 years old, high school. Before I work in Hong Kong, I take care elderly for 7 years.
Okay, for 7 years in
Yes.
Hong Kong. Okay, one employer only?
Yes.
Yes.
Only
Okay.
one employer.
Okay. So, why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
Because the salary is high.
Okay.
Number one, and have fair rules.
Fair
About the law.
Okay. So, how many years do you see yourself working again in Hong Kong?
As much as I can.
As much as you can. Okay, more than 7 years probably.
Yes.
Okay. And may I also know what are your duties with your past employer?
I think her bedridden.
Bedridden. How
Elderly.
old?
97.
97. Is it Popo or Kumpung?
Before I have Kung Kung and have Popo.
Okay. Okay. So how how do you handle taking care of the elderly? What are the important things that you need to do?
Because she have so many medicine. That's very important. And then change diaper, take a bath, and always retain BP, SPO2,
Okay.
and then the temperature.
And then the temperature. Okay. Aside from that, the taking care of elderly, do you also cook?
Yes, but a simple cook because before the Kung Kung eat, so vegetarian food, only boil the vegetable and steam the fish.
Okay, but you can follow the recipe. If the employer will give you the recipe.
Yes,
you can
I can follow.
Okay. So, if we will be given you a job offer that you need to share a room with the kids or elderly, are you okay with this?
Okay, I accept that.
You will accept. How about if you have a co-helper?
Actually, I don't like co-helper, ma'am, because before I experienced that.
Okay, so you prefer working alone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And lastly, can you promise us not to borrow money or with your employer or any lending company in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you know the rules, of course, for 7 years in Hong Kong. So no borrowing of money. Okay. Message for your future employer.
If you hire me, I do my best to serve you and your family.